Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Soul engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving both time and money. Regularly replacing your air filter is crucial for maintaining optimal engine performance and can even improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency. You'll be surprised how simple it is, often requiring no special tools at all. First, pop open the hood of your Kia Soul. The engine air filter box is usually a prominent black plastic box located on the driver's side of the engine bay, often in front of the battery. Once you've found it, you'll see 2 or 3 metal clips or fasteners around the perimeter of the cover. Simply unclip these by pulling them outwards or flipping them up to release the top half of the airbox. With the clips released, gently lift the airbox cover. You might need to disengage a few tabs on the engine side by tilting it slightly. Now, carefully pull out the old, often dirty air filter. Take a moment to clean out any leaves, dust, or debris from the bottom of the airbox, perhaps using a rag or a small vacuum. Then place your new, clean air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and the pleats face downwards. Finally, carefully lower the airbox cover, ensuring the tabs on the engine side slide back into their slots. Press the cover down firmly and re-engage the 2 or 3 metal clips to secure it. This entire process takes only about 5 to 10 minutes. Replacing your engine air filter annually, or every 10,000 to 20,000 miles, helps your engine breathe better and perform at its peak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.